What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I know it's been a hot minute. I'm so sorry. I've just been super busy preparing for Slime Bash and for Slime Expo New York City, so it's just been a little bit crazy. But I asked you all on my poll here on YouTube if you would like me to do a restock video just to kind of show the slimes that I'm taking to Slime Bash and to the Expo, and you all said that you wanted to see that, so here it is. So obviously we're going to go ahead and start off with my best seller. This is Chanel number 2. She is the queen of the big three, queen of unicorn slime shop. She's amazing. She's super thick and glossy and holdable, scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, and is my #1 bestseller. This one totally sold out like super fast at Slime Bash 1, so I expect the same thing this time. So if you want to get it, make sure you hurry up and get there to snatch. Next up from the big three and my best sellers, we have a Baja Blast. This here is the Baja Blast base. I totally forgot that I didn't even film a big batch of Baja Blast like it normally is. I only filmed the base, so that's kind of awkward. So I'm inserting a clip as well of like what it normally looks like, just in case anybody's new and they don't know what my Baja Blast slime looks like. But it is a cloud/icy slime texture, so it has like little baby drizzles, what I like to call it. It's almost like a cloud dough mixed with an icy slime. It's really nice, and it smells so good. It smells like tropical soda and blue raspberry. It is amazing. I love it so much, and yeah, it's just another one of the best sellers. So you gotta snatch it. If you're gonna snatch anything from my shop, you should definitely snatch at least one of the big three. Slime Bash 2 is literally tomorrow. It's going to be on Saturday, October 27th and Sunday, October 28th, and I am so freaking excited. If you're going, let me know in the comment section down below. I cannot wait to meet you. And last from the lineup of the big three, we have Mud Mask, which is my 3rd bestseller. I love this one a lot. This one is actually growing on me, and I'm kind of like deciphering which one of the big three that I love the most. It's so hard to choose. I don't know, but this one is up there right now. Let me tell you, it is a really nice and unique texture. It's a buttercream texture. So basically, I took a butter slime and a cloud cream and fused them together to get this awesomeness. So it's very velvety and buttery from the butter slime, and it's super sizzly and thick from the cloud cream, and it's just amazing. It's super holdable. It holds into any shape basically, and it does really well at it, and I really like it. It is actually scented like green tea and lemon, kind of like a citrusy kind of hint in there, and it's really good. Definitely kind of reminds me of a spa or like a mud mask. Now it's time to show you the exclusive slime. So first one up is Slime Bash Soda Pop. Obviously it is exclusive to Slime Bash because it is inspired by Slime Bash. So it is a neon green type of color base, I would say, and it's scented like lemon lime soda and green apple. It smells really good. It's green apple Jolly Rancher actually. So those two together just smell like my childhood, like soda and candy. Come on now. It smells really good. And then there are some green and purple foam beads in large and small sizes just to kind of represent the little soda bubbles, and it's really good. It's a thick and glossy base, and the beads are added for texture. It's pretty good. Okay, so because Slime Bash is like right before Halloween, you know I had to come at you with some Halloween slime. So this one is called Spirit Candy. I love this one so much. We actually renamed it. I kind of forgot what we named it the first time, but it is Spirit Candy now, and I love it so much. It's scented like a mixture of candies. We threw in some Jolly Rancher, Lemon Heads, and some Sour Patch Kids, just all different kind of candy scents, and it smells amazing. That's like my favorite part about this. Also, the texture is amazing as well because there is some clay in it. It's actually a creamy clay slime. It's very thick as well. There's Daiso Japanese clay in there, and also the soft clay from the Kawaii Slime Company. I just really love this slime so much. It's glossy, but when you stretch it, it's like matte, and I love it. This one will come with 1 random Halloween charm hidden inside. However, 4 people are actually going to get 2 because I forgot to take the charms out of the video when I, was filming. So 4 random people will get 2 charms. That's kind of cool, right? And the last exclusive slime for Slime Bash is going to be Brains, of course, because we needed another Halloween slime. So this one here is scented just like watermelon and kiwis. It smells really, really good, and it kind of just looks like Brains, basically. So the base is a really thick and glossy slime, and it is kind of the color. It looks very vibrant here, but the color is kind of more mute in person, I would say. It almost looks more like rotting flesh to me. It doesn't look this neon green, I promise. But I really like the slime, and there are a bunch of add-ins in it. There are some pink foam beads, both marshmallow and regular type of foam beads. There's also some red foam beads in there, and some red Java chips and pink Java chips as well, just to kind of make it look bloody and gooey like Brains and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's really nice. I love it. The smell alone is really good. It doesn't smell like rotting flesh, so be glad about that, but it's really good. Next up, we have some fan favorites. So you know I had to throw in a cloud slime or two. So the first one that I'm going to show you, this one here is Unicorn Cloud. It is my most popular cloud slime. I love it because it's color changing. So as you see here, the purple is like in the middle and the blue is on the outside. When you mix it, it turns purple again, and then you let it sit for a little bit. It turns blue again. You get to mix it all up and make it purple again. It's really, really cool. It comes topped with a bunch of purple glitters and unicorn glitters as well. It's really nice. It's scented like berry sherbet, and it just smells amazing. I love it so much. This one is only actually going to be sold Saturday. However, if we don't sell out of it, then I will sell it Sunday as well. So be there. If we're mentioning fan favorites, then we have to mention Birthday Cake Oreo because it is a classic. You all love this one, and I really do too. It's so amazing. I love it so much. This one is smelling, oh my gosh, it's scented just like birthday cake and Oreos mixed together. It smells like heaven. Let me just tell you that. It is just so good. It's amazing. Anyways, I love the base of this slime so much. It's probably like my favorite part. It's very thick and glossy, but it's almost kind of jiggly as well. So kind of thick, jiggly, and glossy. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really, really good. And there are a bunch of rainbow sprinkles throughout. Also some black glitters to represent crushed up Oreo pieces. And of course, it is topped off with a bunch of rainbow foam beads to act as the confetti or the little sprinkles that are in a birthday cake. And the last slime that is in the lineup for Slime Bash is also a cloud slime. It just so happens to be another one of my best-selling clouds. This one is Candy Floss. I love it so much. It is a blue cloud slime, and it has pink glitters on top, just kind of dusted on there, and it will come with a random candy or sweet treat kind of charm, so you can really get anything like a cookie or a cupcake or anything like that. I just really love this slime so much. It's scented like lollipops and like cotton candy. Like, what is better than that? Come on, I love this one. Candy Floss will actually only be available on Sunday, so if you want to snatch a Candy Floss, you gotta have a Sunday ticket, okay, bruh? The next two slimes that I'm going to show you are actually exclusive to the New York City Slime Expo. So if you want to get them, then you have to be at the Expo. So it is actually an event that's happening in New York City. Actually, I'm sorry, it's in Brooklyn. And it is happening in November the 3rd, if I'm not mistaken. Check the link in the description box below. I believe there's still tickets. I'm even teaching a class. I'm teaching y'all how to make thick and glossy slime. I believe that is sold out though. So there are no tickets for that, unfortunately. But I'm really excited. If you bought a ticket, I'm so excited to meet you and to teach you my ways of thick and glossiness. I'm really excited. So in addition to any of the slimes that do not sell out at Slime Bash, these two slimes are going to be there too. So we have cranberry sauce. This is a jelly slime. It looks exactly like cranberry sauce. I really like it, and it is scented just like cranberry sauce too. So it's really good. It's like my favorite part of Thanksgiving. And the last slime that is exclusive to Slime Expo New York City, this one is Winter Things. If you're an OG fan of mine and you've been rocking with me for a while, then you will remember this from last year's winter collection. I'm bringing it back, so it's kind of a throwback. I really like it. This one is a really thick and sizzly kind of a cloud cream. It's really late, y'all. If you haven't noticed, I'm stumbling on my words. I'm so sorry. I jump on a plane at 4 o'clock in the morning. Wow, let me just not talk. I jumped on a plane at 4 o'clock in the morning is what I was trying to say. And I literally have not had any sleep, so that's always fun. Anyways, as I was trying to say, this is a really thick and sizzly cloud cream texture. However, there's also some fake snow in it as well, so it's kind of crunchy as well. It just really feels really nice. It's very textured, and it smells like sweater weather from Bath and Body Works, which is like one of my all-time favorite winter scents, and it's just really good. So I have a huge mess behind me. I apologize for that. Like I said, I've been busy. Okay, so that was pretty much it for this restock. I've never done anything like this, so it's kind of awkward, kind of like a webcam kind of thing, but I ran out of clips to do voiceovers on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do this. I'm gonna let y'all see because I'm a real person. I am messy. Look at all the slime, like, just everywhere. Anyways, I am so excited to meet you at Slime Bash 2 and at Slime Expo New York City. I am super excited. Definitely come up to me, say hi, buy some slime. Even if you don't buy slime or like any merch or anything from me, definitely come up to me and say hi and take pictures because I am so excited about that. That's honestly the only reason that I go to events, is honestly to meet y'all. Just selling is kind of like a plus, but I really am there just to meet y'all, so I'm really excited. Thank you all so much for watching this restock video. I have to get some sleep because, like I said, I have to be on a plane very early in the morning, and it is really late at night right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Thank you all so much for watching the restock. I love you all very freaking much. There probably won't be a video for a while, just until I get back from New York City. I'm so sorry. So November, the first week of November, there'll be a video probably. I don't know yet. I'm not thinking that far. But anyways, thank you for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!